guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna shoot for a Raksha Bandhan special look. I know all the sisters and brothers, for all of them this day is very special, super special, and all girls like to look like ethnic wear, something in ethnic wear. Yeah, so as I'm already wearing a churidar and I have a chumka, so I'm gonna start with an ethnic look with minimal amount of products. So let's get started. So guys, I'm already done with my base makeup. I have applied oil-free moisturizer and a primer on top of that, and then a light BB cream. I have used Pond's BB cream. You can use any BB cream of your choice. So let's start. Use Lakme's French Rose palette, and I'm gonna do some tangy pink look on my eyes as I'm wearing pink already. So yes, we start with the base. So for the base I'm gonna use a golden one since this is a festive look, so I'm gonna try this one as a base. Let's start. So I'm applying in the center of the eyelid, and I'm gonna do the same on my another eye. So this palette offers some shimmery eyeshadow colors and it's ideal for any festive look. So then I'm gonna take the pink one from the palette, yeah, and the pink one I'll use in the edges. And on my crease line, you can see the difference. I'll do the same on my another eye. I always try subtle eyes with bold lips or smoky eyes with nude lips. This time maybe since it's a festive season, I'll not go bold with anything because it's Rakhi. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and if you guys are trying to recreate this look on Raksha Bandhan, please do comment, share and post your video to our page Glam It Up with Ritz.